Hi, VA Diaries. So I'm gonna update a progress on my application with Rocket Spear VA. So fortunately, pumasa ako sa first interview and eto yung invitation email na ini-invite nila ako for a second interview. Sinend nila sa akin yesterday, that was 15th of April and today was the 16th of April. Habi nila sa email, thank you for taking some time or taking the time to talk to us about the position. We enjoyed getting to know you and we'd like to invite you for a second interview via Zoom video call. Your schedule is on April 16th at 5 p.m. Manila time. So, kanina yun naganap and I'm so happy kasi naka-second interview na ako, which is a good start. And then kanina, eto yung mga tinanong sa akin nung nag-interview. So, sabi niya, more on situational kami kanina. So, first question niya sa akin was, describe your day-to-day task on your previous job. So, dito, diniscuss ko, ninarrate ko din ang mga administrative tasks na ginagawa ko such as sending out emails, managing and creating schedules for agents that are assigned on different call centers, meetings, calibration meetings with different stakeholders such as business owners, center managers, and team leaders. So yon. And then next question nyo sa akin was, what would you do if a client asks you to do a task that you cannot finish on time? So ako, naging honest naman ako sa answer ko dito. So sinabi ko na if that happens, I will be transparent to my client na I wouldn't be able to finish it on time kasi ayoko naman magpakabibo, no? So I will honestly ask his permission to extend another, let's say, hour to pursue or to continue and finish the tasks. And then the next question was, what would you do if a client asks you for a certain task that you don't know how to perform? Sinabi ko na I will seek mentorship to the client. So, yon. And then, sabi niya sa akin na ang rate ay $3 ang minimum rate per hour for non-experienced VAs. Kung okay lang daw ba sa akin yon. So, definitely I said yes because sabi ko, for a non-experienced VAs like me, na newbie sa industry na to, $3 will go a long way. And ang result, sabi niya sa akin in the end, bago niya ni-wrap up yung interview is that I passed the interview, that second stage, and then they will be sending me another email to let me know kung kasama ko dun sa shortlist para i-move para sa final interview. Pero pag hindi daw ako nasama for that batch, i-schedule ako siguro for another batch. Abangan na makakakuha ba ako ng post sa company na ito. Bye!